Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Wesley Stratton, American Benefit Services. So we are talking about today about seasons. We're talking about the season of lock-in. We are stepping into the season of lock-in for Medicare. And for a lot of agents out there, they look at that as the desert season. That's the season where we can't do as many enrollments because it's a little bit harder to do enrollments in that season. Let's just be honest. You know, you might need an SEP, or you might need to focus on certain products more in that season. But we want to show you how to master lock-in and crush it in this next season. And the first thing I think about as I was preparing for this video is that old analogy of the grasshopper and the ant as they were heading into winter. And the grasshopper, he kind of took it easy, and he didn't kind of prepare for the season. And the ant did. The ant was the one who prepared for the season. He created a storehouse, and as winter came in, the ant really survived and he thrived. Well, I want you to look at it the same way in this lock-in season. I want you to look at this season as an area to really prepare. Dig in deep for when it opens up in the fall, your life can get really, really good. And let me tell you let's talk about what that's going to look like. Every product that you sell with ABS, it's a year-round product. Remember what we are. We are life, health, wealth, ancillary products. That's like long-term care, cancer policies, dental policies, hospital indemnity policies. Everything we do is year-round business. What we do at ABS, it's all about needs-based selling. We want you to lead a lot of times with Medicare and then understand your client's needs and then add other products. So in this season, we want you to focus on T65. This is a season where I do love to do direct mail for T65. We have a great mailer that gets great returns. In some markets, 3 to 4% returns. We also like special needs plans. So focus on your C-SNP and D-SNP plans. There are great ones across the country. A lot of these carriers have branched out into having great SNP plans, special needs plans, that you can sell year-round. We want to show you how to sell those products. We also have special election periods. Guys, across the country, we're here in Charleston, but across the country, we've had a kind of a tough winter. There is a weather disaster all over the country that opens up special election periods. We want to go deeper with you and show you there's tons of SEPs, like enrolling someone in LIS or enrolling someone in Medicaid. In certain markets, there are these subsidies that help out with prescriptions that go above what LIS offers. So there's all these SEPs. I'm just scratching the surface. We want to talk to you about how to really master special election periods. The other thing is ancillary products. Guys, it's needs-based selling. We want to show you about, with ancillary products, about how to sell cancer plans. Guys, your clients need cancer policies and critical illness. Dental, vision, hearing. I'm going to do a video soon about how I made $30,000 in 1 year selling dental plans, and you can too. It's really, really simple. Life insurance, guys. Your clients need you to review their life insurance policies. I've done videos about how important that it is for your clients to review their life insurance policies, and they have no clue what they're doing. And finally, some of the wealth products, annuities. They're so good. They help your clients out. These are products you need to be focusing on year-round. It doesn't matter if we're dealing with lock-in. It doesn't matter if we're in AEP or OEP. This is your world. This is what you need to be focusing on. The other thing I want you to do, and when I was talking originally about the little analogy of the ant and the grasshopper, this is your season to go out there and make new connections. We want you to make connections with pharmacies. Guys, we get a ton of referrals here locally with pharmacies. We want to show you how to do it. Dentist offices. There's all these places in your backyard that if you dig deep during this season, you're going to be getting referrals now, but you're going to be creating referral partners that are working with you for years to come. Guys, we have one dentist office that we've been working with here in Charleston. We've probably been working with them for seven or 8 years that sends us referrals. That's from one connection we made years ago that is producing fruit every year since then. So if you take this season to make these connections across your market, Referrals are there that you can be doing year-round. P&C shops, other insurance shops that don't do what you do, that have access and clients that are turning 65. They're everywhere. Use this season to dig deep, make connections. A lot of these places are looking for someone to refer their business. And this is very much you have not because you ask not. So go out there and make these connections. April through October is not a dead period. It's a hidden growth period. This is your season to dig deep and really catapult your business that can yield fruit for years to come. So let's just kind of recap on some of the things you need to do. Cross-sell. Guys, your book is one of the most valuable things you have. This is your season to cross-sell. Remember, life, health, wealth, ancillary products. Your book, again, that is where there's so much opportunity. Another thing that you need to be doing with your book is asking for referrals. If you don't know how to do it properly, we want to show you how to do it. Guys, we get so many people who are just calling us up every single day because they are friends with a current client we have. We want to show you how to really nurture that situation. And then this is the time for you also to then create your pipeline and your people to reach out to when AEP starts. So get yourself organized, dig deep. This is your organization season. This is your season to create referrals, learn to sell more products, and then when AEP hits, wow, watch this thing just go hockey stick. So thank you guys. Reach out. We want to show you how to do this thing, how to master the senior market. Remember, it's not just Medicare. It's not just life insurance. It's life, health, wealth, ancillary products. Thanks, guys.